How's it going, YouTube? Quick little video, just go over my favorite rod and reel setup for my kayak fishing. I fish inshore and offshore, and currently I just use a little Kastking Sharky 3 1000 series, and it's on a Kastking BlackHawk 2 rod, which is, telescoping rod. Put it all the way down to nothing. I originally got it for a rod and reel to keep in a truck, doesn't take up any space. It graduated from that, became literally, every time I go kayaking, I will have this with me. And I bought it a year ago on Amazon. It's still just as smooth, just as nice as the day I bought it. It's been dunked in salt water. It's never been cleaned other than just rinsing it off with a hose. Drag still nice and smooth. Got it spooled with 10-pound braid, Kastking braid. Awesome, great setup, nice and smooth, nice and quiet, casts like a dream. And the only thing, I wish I would have got a medium light rod. This is a medium, and the only reason I went with that is I wanted to be able to cover more types of fishing whenever I was traveling around and stuff. But yeah, this is a wonderful setup, and it's very cheap. This, on the other hand, just to give you an idea, this is a Penn Clash 2500, and this is also another one that I used to take everywhere, but it's nowhere near smooth. It's clunky, but it's not because of the reel, it's because of me. I don't take care of my gear all that great. I kind of torture them, and yeah, bail doesn't come down anymore on its own. You got to manually just try to cast and then just try to reel. That's what you get. So you got to knock it down. Entirely my fault, but same treatment, same use with the Kastking, and it's night and day difference. Just go and nice, smooth, easy to use, easy to go, worry free. And I need to get me some more of these, because this thing is amazing. Bull reds, speckled trout, red snapper. I've caught red snapper at the reefs with this little 1000 series, and it's never skipped a beat, never had an issue. I've caught lots and lots of fish, and this thing it's a workhorse. So good. I really enjoy it. It's my favorite one I have.